Let's talk about how to freeze columns in Google Sheets. Perfect when you want to keep key information visible as you scroll horizontally. Imagine you have a spreadsheet tracking employees. If you scroll to the right, the first column, maybe the name column, disappears. That's not helpful if you want to always see who each row belongs to. Here's how to fix it. Method 1. Drag the freeze handle. Hover over the grey bar just above the row numbers and to the left of the column letters. The cursor will turn into a hand. Click and drag it to the right, past the column you want frozen. For example, freeze column A. Now, no matter how far you scroll to the right, the first column stays visible. Method 2. Use the View menu. Go to View, Freeze, one column, or two columns if needed. If you select a column farther along, like column F, Google Sheets will show freeze up to F column. Tip: if your window is too small, it may say the current view is too narrow to freeze that many columns. You can either zoom out or freeze fewer columns. Freezing columns is a simple trick that makes your spreadsheets much easier to navigate, especially when dealing with large datasets.